بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الأمين. Okay, dear students, open your books. We have Get Ready today. Get Ready, book number 6, الصف السادس. Get Ready, book number 6, الصف السادس الابتدائي. Let's start our lesson. Okay. Today, inshallah, we will have Unit 7, Lesson 2, and you have the pages 46 to 47. This is our lesson today. Okay, this is the lesson of today. Pages 46, 47. Okay, what do you think? Today, inshallah, we are going to continue talking about the past. We are going to continue talking about the past. Something happened in the past. Do you see this boy, Tom? He will describe something happened to him in the past. So, inshallah, today, you will be able to talk about actions in the past, and also to ask some questions about the past. Okay, so we are going to give some sentences in the past using regular and irregular verbs, and we are going to ask questions in the past. And also we have here some phonics. We are going to learn how to pronounce the fa in English. Okay, all right, let's start. Before we start the lesson, let's remember or remind ourselves about the past. What did we do in the past? Simple. Okay, this is the timeline. Now we are here, okay, and the past actions, things that happened and finished, and this is the future, things will happen next time, okay? Today we are going to revise what did we say about the past. Do you remember? Okay, we have regular verbs as we said. Like, for example, let's read the sentence. He helped his father. We have he, the subject, helped, the verb, and we said it's regular. Why? Because the ed, we didn't change the verb, we just added the ed. So, again, subject, pronoun or name, Ahmed Ali helped or he helped. And then we finish the sentence with time phrase or place phrase or with an object. Here we have an object. He helped his father. Okay, would you please give me the negative of this sentence? What do I mean by negative? When we add not, okay? When we add not to the sentence. So, I use the auxiliary did. We use the auxiliary did. If we want to ask about, if we want to give a negative or ask questions. Let's start here. He, so what would I do? I add the auxiliary with the not, and then the verb in the base form. So what happened here? He didn't, did with not. This is the short form, the contraction. He did not, didn't help his father. So this is the negative form. Okay? All right. Now, if I want to ask questions, for example, here. Okay. Let's see this question here. This is a yes-no question. Did, when it's a yes-no question, I start with the auxiliary did. Did, and then the pronoun or the name, and I continue with the verb, the main verb. Did he help his father? The answer will be yes, he did, or no, he did not. Okay, so simple question, yes, no question. Okay, WH question, the verb, the WH word, and the auxiliary did, and then the pronoun or the name and the base for the do, because I want to tell the action. Okay, what did he do? What did he do? He helped his father. This is when we have a regular verb, a verb with ed. Okay, what about irregular verbs? What do you think? Irregular verbs. Do you remember what do we mean by irregular verbs? Yes, verbs that don't have the ed. For example, she went to the mall. She is the subject. Went is the verb in the past. To the mall, it's a place, phrase. Now went, what happened to went? Did we add ed? No, we changed the verb, the base form go. So we call this irregular verb. Let's take the negative form of the sentence. Yes, we use again the auxiliary did and we add not, becomes she did not or she didn't, and we go back to the base form of the verb went, which is go, and we finish the sentence. She did not go to the mall. So this is the negative form. Okay, what about the yes-no question? Again, we will use the auxiliary did and the pronoun or the name, the subject, okay? And the base form of the verb went, which is go, and we finish the question. Did she go to the mall? Yes, she did, or no, she did not. Okay, what about the WH questions? Here we will ask about a place. So I use the word where. Okay, like this. And then we start the question. We add the auxiliary after the question word. And then we continue the question. Where did she go? She went to the mall. Clear now? So in the past simple, we have two kinds of verbs. We have regular verbs and we have irregular verbs. So you can go back to the slide anytime you need it to know how to change into negative, how to ask yes-no questions, and how to give WH questions. Now let's start the lesson. Here we have, okay, here we have a boy. His name is Tom. What is Tom doing? He is writing an email. Okay, to whom? He is writing an email to his friend Ben. Okay, so Tom is writing an email to a message to his friend Ben to tell him about what happened to him. Here we have some sentences in the past. We want to read with you the sentences and to analyze these sentences to the subject and the verb and what kind of verb we have, regular or irregular. Don't forget, remember that we have all the time, okay, that we have a sentence, simple sentence in English, subject, verb, object, okay, subject, verb in the past and object, and you can see this in the sentences here. Let's start with the first sentence. Hi, Ben. Okay, let's read together. Okay, your books are opened on page 46. Okay, let's read. Hi, Ben. This is the way how you write an email to your friend, describing something happened in the past. Hi, Ben. I went to Ali's house. So this is a sentence. I, the subject, went is the verb, and went is in past. This is irregular. I went to Ali's house. Who went? Tom. To whom? To Ali's house. To where? To Ali's house. He had a party. He, subject, had the verb, okay? Party is an object. Had, so the verb is had. All right? So he had a party. Okay, had, verb, irregular, in the past. It was, because it was a special day. Who had a party? Ali had party. Okay, why? Because it was a special day. Do you remember what did we say about special day? A day that something very good happened to you. So it is a special day to you. His uncle was visiting him. When he went to him, his uncle was there. His uncle, what did he do, the uncle? He bought him lots of presents. So the uncle bought him lots of presents. His uncle, subject, bought is the verb. So here we have a verb, bought, had, went. We went to the zoo. So Ali and Ali and Tom went to the zoo. The verb went, irregular verb. But I didn't see the elephant. Did he see the elephant? Did he see? Yes, no question. Did he see the elephant? No, he did not see the elephant. Why? Because he said that. He said, I did not see the elephant. Okay, very good. Let's continue. It was not. We added the not here to was in the past. It was not there. Then we had, again a verb, we had a picnic. They had what? A picnic. And I ate lots of nice food. And drank, ate, drank some mineral water. I didn't sit. Did not sit, because this is a negative form. On the grass. I sat, again, a regular verb, on a small chair. Okay? That's very good. Let's do the sentences, true, false sentences together. Number 1. Tom had a party. What do you think? Did Tom has a party? Did he? Did Tom have a party? No. Ali had a party. So this is false. Ali got a lot of presents. He had a party because it was a special day. His uncle was visiting him. His uncle bought him lots of presents. So yes, Ali got lots of presents. Very good. They saw the elephant at the zoo. He said here, I didn't see the elephant. So it's not true. It is false. The elephant was not there. They had a picnic. What do you think? I just read this with you. They had a picnic or no? Yes, we had a picnic. Had, the verb had. Okay, the verb saw, the verb got, the verb had, all in the past. Okay, they had a picnic? True. Tom did not drink mineral water. What did he eat? What did he drink? Yes, he ate lots of nice food and drank some mineral water. No, this is false. He drank mineral water. Tom sat on the grass. I didn't sit on the grass, so it is false. He didn't sit in the grass. You can do this in your books, please. Okay, and you can write the sentence and write the analyzation of the sentence. Subject, verb, object, and don't forget today we have verbs in the past. Negative. Okay, let's move. Okay. Okay. All right. This is exercise number 2, the same page. Students, the same page. You can do it with me. You have your pencils with me or your pens and write down the answers with me. What does it say here? Read again about Tom and write the words, the verbs change the verbs into past. Let's do it together. Here, it's an example. Ali got lots of presents. Okay, Tom and Ali. Let's change this into the past. What do you think? What is the past of go? What is the past of go? What is the past of go? Yes, went. Tom and Ali went to the zoo. Not see. So I have here not. Do you remember what I told you to use did when we change the sentence into negative? So they did not, didn't see an elephant. Here, do we have negative here? No, this is a question. Yes, no question. Did. So we have did here. So we don't change the verb. If we have did in the sentences, negative or questions, we don't change the verb. So did Ali's uncle buy lots of presents? Okay, This is a question. We don't change the verb. We use the did. Tom eat lots of nice food. How can we change the verb eat? Yes, ate. He, again, we have negative here, as we did here, did not drink. Okay. All right, here, let's listen to the verbs. Listen, read, and say.
Unit 7.
Okay.
Lesson 2. Activity 3. Listen, read, and say. Buy. Bought. Drink. Drank. Eat. Ate. Get. Got. Go. Went. Have. Had. See. Saw. Sit. Sat.
Yes. So you have to practice how to say them and also how to write them. Here we have the questions that we said. How to ask a WH question. We use the WH word and then we add did because we ask about something happened in the past. Okay? And also a yes/no question. Like for example, you can now start making your questions and ask your family using the past form. In sentences, in yes/no questions, in negatives, and also in WH questions. What did you buy? Did you eat? Did you play? Did you drink? And so on. You can practice this with your sisters and brothers, okay? All right. What did you drink? Did you sit on grass? Okay, here. Let's do this together. Yesterday. Okay, yesterday I went to Tom's. We played. Computer games, we ate or had chocolate and juice. What about juice? Drank. You have to know all these verbs in past. We didn't. Did. So I use the base form, go. Okay? But we had fun. Also here, irregular past verbs. Majid, a burger, ate a burger. Did Ali and Tom? Did. Question. Go. Tom didn't sit. Not sat because we have did. Ali's father. Children ice cream. Bought. Children ice cream. Okay? You can do this. Write them down in your book. Okay. All right. Let's listen here.
Unit 7. Lesson 2. Activity 6A. Phonics. Look, listen, and say. F, f, f. Alphabet. 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 F, f, f. Laugh. Laugh. Laugh.
Okay.
Unit 7.
Let's do this together.
Lesson 2. Activity 6B. Phonics. Listen and circle the sound. 1. Geography. Geography. 2. Mother. Mother. 3. Physics. Physics. 4. Ostrich. Ostrich. 5. Alphabet. Alphabet. 6. Photo. Photo.
Very good. Let's read the sentence here. So this is f. Okay, read and say geography and physics are my favorite subjects. Geography and physics are my favorite subjects. And you can go back to your workbook, page 84, okay, unit 7, lesson 2, and try to answer the questions here. Here, making sentences in the past, and also here, going to the blog and try to answer with yes or no, true or false. This is on page 84, okay? Try to write simple sentences in the past using irregular verbs. And that is for today. Thank you for listening, dear students. Have a nice day.